So you're eyeing the new iPhone 17 lineup, maybe even that slick iPhone Air, but a little voice in your head is whispering, what's next? Is it worth holding out for the iPhone 18 Pro or 18 Pro Max? Let's break down 6 huge rumored upgrades that could make waiting a very smart move. First up, say goodbye to the chunky dynamic island. Rumors suggest it could shrink by about a third thanks to a breakthrough in smaller Face ID sensors. This means more screen, less notch. Imagine watching your favorite shows without that big island getting in the way. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. Next, let's talk aesthetics. The iPhone 18 Pro might get a seriously cool, semi-transparent back glass. Think about it. You'd be able to catch a glimpse of the MagSafe coil and some of the internal components. It's a design choice that screams futuristic and would definitely make your phone stand out. It's not just a phone, it's a statement piece. Upgrade number 3 is for all the photographers out there. The camera control button, which we first saw on the iPhone 16 series, is reportedly getting a major redesign. We're talking a more responsive, pressure-sensitive button that could offer a much more tactile and professional feel. It would be like having a dedicated shutter button from a high-end camera right on your phone, perfect for nailing those tricky shots. Speaking of cameras, the fourth rumor is a game-changer. The main 48-megapixel fusion camera could finally get a true, mechanical variable aperture. This isn't just a software trick. It's real, DSLR-style light control. This would allow you to physically adjust how much light hits the sensor, giving you incredible creative control for stunning photos in any lighting condition, from bright daylight to moody, low-light scenes. Of course, we have to talk about performance. The fifth upgrade is the beastly A20 Pro chip, expected to be built on an advanced 2-nanometer process. What does that mean for you? Blazing fast speeds, incredible efficiency, and even better battery life. Paired with the vapor chamber cooling system we have now, the iPhone 18 Pro is set to be a performance powerhouse that barely breaks a sweat. And finally, the sixth major upgrade could be Apple's own modem. We might see the debut of the C2 or C2X modem, meaning Apple could finally ditch Qualcomm for good. An in-house modem could lead to more stable, seamless connectivity and, you guessed it, even longer battery life by optimizing how the phone talks to cell towers. So, should you wait for the iPhone 18 Pro? If you're someone who craves the absolute latest in technology and design, these upgrades make a compelling case for holding off. But hey, if you need a new phone now, the iPhone 17 Pro models are still incredible devices. What do you think? Are these rumored upgrades enough to make you wait? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest Apple news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.